Are you looking for a legit website to make money online in Nigeria? If your answer is yes, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I am going to show you exactly the top 5 websites where you can make money online legitimately in Nigeria. There are many other sites that offer this, but most of them are a waste of data and time. So, to get anything out of it all, you need to make sure you join the legit sites that are actually worth it. That's why I decided to make this video so that you don't make any mistakes about which one to join. You can also check it on our blog in the description. I believe you are from Nigeria, but if you do not live in Nigeria and have ended up on this video, you should also check out the one you like and get started. In this video, I discuss everything you need to know. Before I continue, if this is your first time watching our videos, consider subscribing and turning on notifications for more interesting videos like this. Remember that number 5 in our list helps you grow your YouTube channel faster, so make sure you stick with this video to the end if you don't want to miss out. 1. Fast2Earn Review. Fast2Earn is a good way for everyone to raise funds for business and become a shareholder online. If you choose to invest in any company, you will get an ROI, so your Fast2Earn investment is like buying the company's shares. The ROI may be small, but you're 100% sure about your investment. This is an internet-based online share company where everyone can earn money by simply buying more shares online. On this website you can make fast earnings within a week or month, and you can withdraw your earnings anytime you want once you reach their requirements. 2. YouCubez. YouCubez is a PTC site started in 2007 that pays its members for watching videos and completing online tasks and activities. By looking at the site name, you can easily know that watching YouTube videos is one of the most valuable tasks on this website. To earn a daily income, YouCubez has provided a couple of options you can use to make money on the site, like watching videos, taking surveys, and many more. When you create your account on YouCubez, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings in 3 wallets: Earnings, /C, and Cube Funds. 3. Swagbucks. Here is a legit platform that lets you earn massive points, called SB Points, which can be converted into real gift cards and cash for doing various online activities on this site, including taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and searching. This website has been around since 2005 without any downtime and is a subsidiary of Protage, LLC. Protage has a few other brands that you'll probably be familiar with, including Fast2Earn. According to our research, as of May 2019, Swagbucks has paid out $3 for 3,681,259 in cash and free gift cards. Swagbucks is based in El Segundo, California. 4. PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is a website where you pay by taking surveys online. The site has overwhelmingly positive reviews from its users. It offers several ways to earn points that are redeemable for gift cards and cash. PrizeRebel has paid more than other survey sites in the world. We at Rolodal.com have decided to review and include PrizeRebel in this list to determine if their site is really as good as advertised and may be the best option for you. 5. Drops services with smm.rolodal.com. Like I said before, in this number 5, you will be learning a new business model, which is how to start a social media drop servicing business in Nigeria with us. Perhaps this is your first time coming across the term drop service. If it is, I doubt you're going to be watching any material elsewhere again. Starting a drop servicing business with us is a great way to start making passive income online with little to no investment. Drop servicing is a new business model whereby you provide and sell services directly to clients. But you do not provide the services directly yourself, and you can do this with us by providing social media services to your clients and using smm.rolodal.com to deliver your services. Your profit, however, is going to be the difference between the price your clients pay you and how much you order to get the job done for you. Thanks for watching. I believe this video contains everything you need to know. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment box below. And if you find this video useful, like and share it with your friends on social media. Thanks for watching and bye for now.